Have you noticed? I'm trying specs just like any other online app. You can create this using Scratch. Isn't that amazing? Don't you want to learn how we can do that? Simply costume changes. And it could be a click event as well. So let's learn it using costume, which is the easiest way to do that. For this, I'm going to create a new file again. Now, as I have tried that with my own picture, so you can try that with your own picture. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that you should face towards yourself, means the camera, not looking to the left side or right hand side, just looking forward. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, and instead of that I will upload my own sprite. After uploading your picture as a sprite, now you need some specs to be tried on your face. So from Google you are going to find some specs. Just write down these keywords and go to images. You can easily download these specs to what you want to have. Like again, this one is not going to suit, right? So you have to take the specs which are facing towards you. Okay, so just click on them. I right click on it and I'll save it as an image, and I can't upload it directly to Scratch as a sprite because there is a white background which has to be removed. I will show you how I have removed this one. Let me give it a name. Now once I download this, I have to remove the white background. Though I already shared the video how to remove the white background using Paint 3D, but I'll show you again over here. For detailed video you can go over there. I will provide the link again in the description box, so don't worry about it. So once this Paint 3D is opened, you have to click on open because you need to open that specs file. Click on browse and select that image which you have downloaded. Let's suppose I want to remove the white background out of this image, so I want a transparent spec for me. What I'll do, I'll just click on the magic select, reduce the area and try to crop unwanted area as much as possible. Once you're done, click on next. Now the green one will be there in the image, so I do not want these one, right? Can you see these one? I do not want them. So what you can do, just click on remove and click on the area that you do not want. You can see that it is now black out, so it won't be there in my image anymore. Once you're satisfied, just click on, first you have to click on autofill background, otherwise it will fill up the background with any other color. I do not want any color in my background, so I'll just deselect this option and then done. So you can see the option canvas here, just click on that. Once you got it, turn this on first. Transparent canvas you have to turn option on, and this show canvas, I do not want any canvas to be shown here, so just turn it off. So this is how you'll get a transparent image. Now you have to save it as PNG, only then it will be a transparent one. So go to the menu, click on save as an image which is transparent or PNG image. Out of this we'll select PNG, and this is how it will turn to a transparent one. Click on save. It will ask you to save it with a particular name, so you can save it with a name like I have selected for 4, frame 1, frame 2 and so on, right? So just click on that and you are done. This is how you can remove the white background. Again, I have to create a new sprite for that, so click on upload sprite, and you are going to upload all the costumes of your frame. So I'm just going to take this one, go to costume, and here I'll upload the rest of the frame as costume. So frame 2 to frame 5. Right, again each size is different. This is one. So what you can do first, let's see all of them. Every spec is really large in size, so I think first of all I should reduce the size to, let's say, 50%, and or we can reduce it to 40. I think that's fine. Now this will happen when you will try to drag the specs over the image. So what you can do is, first of all, go to code and let's take the event when the flag is clicked. Go to looks, and every time you need to bring your specs on the front layer, so go to front layer. Let's see okay, it's done in the image picture, that's why. So I'm dragging it to the frame and I'm deleting it from my image. Let's see, yeah, so now my specs are over my image, and select it. Okay, if this kind of problem exists, so what you can do, go to costume, select your specs, and then just move it. First you have to click on the flag so that it can be there on the front layer, and once it is there, just try to adjust the frame on your face, and like this one again, I think I have to rotate a little bit to fit on my face, and using up arrow keys also you can adjust them. That will give you a perfect finish. So I think this one is absolutely fine. Let's try with the second frame. Again, I'm going to select them and let's move them over my face a little bit here, and again rotation is required, a little bit more. So here you have to adjust each and every costume, and if you want to make them smaller, yes, you can always do that. Similarly, I'm going to do it with each and every frame. I think that's perfect now. Now what you have to do, you know that in the forever loop you are gonna change the costume. Go to control, take the forever loop and wait for 1 second or 2, and then go to looks and make costume. Let's make it 1.5 and let's try that now. And yes, you can do one more thing. If you want an image without the specs, you can have a blank costume here. Let's add that. So what I'm going to do is duplicate, and here I'm going to delete them. So let's see. And yes, you can always start with, whenever I click on the flag, start with the first costume. Switch costume to frame 1. So without specs, and then you're trying on. Let's play that again. Without specs, and here you go. Pretty easy and fun. So I hope you liked this video, and if you like, do try it. Share it with your friends. Show your parents and teachers, and I hope that they would appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.